Hello everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to talk about or I'm going to explain some of sample questions regarding basic English or basic writing skill. The sample questions consists of all the contents, especially the sentence, structure of sentence, conjunctions, and also sentence errors and paragraph and essay writing. So I already prepared some questions which are important to give hints how you make ready to take for the mid exam or maybe a basic writing skill final exam. Try to watch the video and you practice with your friends and with yourself, please. Yeah, let me start the first question, please. Yeah, the first question is the sun was shining brightly. We decided to go for a picnic. Actually, the approach of the question is a little bit different. So the usual practice is not through here. So I don't know how we are going to do it. Anyway, what is important here is whenever the two main clauses are here, and how can you just combine the two main clauses to make one compound sentence or maybe complex sentence or compound complex sentence. It depends on the structure on the statement, please. The sun is shining brightly. We decide to go for a picnic. Which sentence is correctly changed here? Yeah, ይህንን ሀሳብ አያያዥ ቃሎችን ስትመርጡ መጀመሪያ የአረፍተ ነገሩን እያንዳንዱ አረፍተ ነገር ጽንሰ ሀሳቡን ይዘቱን መረዳትና ከዛ እያንዳንዳቸውን ኮንጀክሽኖች አጠቃቀማቸው ምንድነው? ስለዚህ ብሮድሊ ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽኖች አለን፣ ኮሪሌቲቭ አለን፣ ሰብኦርዲኔቲንግ አለን። 7 types of adverbs which function as a subordinating። ሌላው conjunctive adverb ምንላቸው አሉ። እነዚህ conjunctions ናቸው። actually conjunctive adverb is not a kind of conjunction. It functions as an adverb, no, but sometimes we can just use these adverbs as a conjunction የምንጠቀምበት። ስለዚህ እነሱን ነው we decided to go for a picnic. The sun was shining brightly. What's here? The sentence is separated by a comma because the two main clauses are main clauses, so no need to put a comma, please. ሁለት main clauses በኮማ ሊለዩ አይችሉም። ስለዚህ የምናገኘው ትርጉም የለንም ማለት ነው። We decided to go for a week because the sun was shining brightly. Because there is cause effect relationship አለ ማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ We decided to go for a picnic because the sun was shining brightly. Yes, reason አለ. Yeah, the sun was shining brightly, or we decided to go for alternative because the approach of the sentence is not alternatives. So that it's not true for using an alternative coordinating conjunction or. ሁለት አማራጭ ሐሳቦች ሲኖሩ ነው or መጠቀምበት። ስለዚህ ሁለት አማራጭ ነገሮች አይደሉም ያሉት። The sun was shining brightly and we decided to go for it. Which comes first? What's the use of and coordinating conjunction ነው። ተጨማሪ ሐሳብን ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብን መግለጽ ስንፈልግ ነው and የምንጠቀመው አይደለ? ስለዚህ cause effect relationship አለኝ እዚህ ጋር We decided to go for a picnic because the sun was shining brightly. Yes, ወደዚህ ጋር ለመሄድ ወስና ምክንያቱም አሁን የፀሐይ ብርሃን ነው ወይም ዝናብ አይደለም ፎጊ አይደለም ክላውድ አይደለም ሬኒ አይደለም the day is bright, so we decided to go to the picnic. So the answer is B ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው። All right, question number 2. I'll call you. I will arrive at the airport. Two main clauses are here. I'll call you blank arrive at the airport. There are conjunctions here. ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች አሉ but, so, when, for. What's but here? Coordinating conjunction to join two opposite ideas or contrast views actually. And so it shows result when it refers about time reference, yeah, or it's a kind of subordinating conjunction where adverbs of time no time መንገድ ለምሳሌ when my friend comes I will tell you one thing which is secret ሌላው ይችላል when my friend comes I will tell you one thing when the bell rings when the teacher enters to the class when the teacher leaves from the class you can just use or infer about time whatever any time you had better use when here for coordinating conjunction special reason. So I'll call you when I arrive at the airport. So time no. I'll call you one. Sometimes yeah, when is important for future tense here. One is present and the other is here. I'll call you when I arrive at the airport. Yeah, ኤርፖርት ላይ እንደደረስኩ እደውልልሃለሁ ታይም ነው የፈለገው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው? when ይሆናል when I arrived the airport አሁን ምን ሆነ subordinate ወይም dependent clause ሆነ ምክንያቱም አያያዥ ቃሉ ከዚህ clause ጋር ስለሄደ ማለት ነው question number 3 she practiced yes for many years look here she didn't win the competition what is the intent the idea of the two clauses please እሱ መለየት የግድ ነው የሚላችሁ okay she practiced for many years she didn't win the competition ሲል ምንድነው ሐሳቡ የትኛውን አያያዥ ቃል ይፈልገኛል she practiced for many years because she didn't win the competition because it's no need to use because the sentence is not a reason and it doesn't show about cause effect because መጠቀም ከሆነ ምክንያትን የሚፈልግ ሐሳብ አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ያለው although she practiced for many years she didn't win the competition right although she practiced it makes the idea contrast or concession she practiced for many hours after she didn't win the competition no and she didn't win the competition and full stop she practiced for minutes is impossible to write just like this because the question as it is here no change actually so the answer is also she practiced for many years she didn't win the competition የጥያቄው ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ተቀራኒ ሐሳብ እንደሆነ ፍንጭ ሰጣቸዋል ይዘጋያ ስለዚህ ለብዙ አመት ፕራክቲስ እንኳን ብታደርግም ኮምፒቲሽኑን ወይም ውድድሩን ማሸነፍ አልቻለችም ነበር ሲል እዚህ ጋር የጥያቄው ኢንተንት አገላለጹ ፍንጭ ስለሚሳቸው adverb clause of contrast ወይም concession እንለዋለን መልሳችሁ the answer is B question number 4 you finish your homework you cannot go out to play which sentence correctly joins this to show a condition ነው የሚላችሁ condition adverb clause of condition what are the adverb clause of there are types of subordinating conjunction but what are some of the parts of adverb clause of condition if unless if not providing that and provided that on condition that as long as so long as these are examples of condition ምንድነው condition ማለት possibility ሊያሳዩ የሚችሉ possibility ሐሳብ ሊያገናኙ ጆይን ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ adverb clause of condition እንላቸዋል condition ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ይሄ ነው አሁን ከዘረዘርኳቸው ውስጥ የትኛው appropriate ነው ይሄ you finish your work you'll not go out to play አሁን ግልጽ ነው yes you cannot go out to play but you finish it's wrong because the second is not the opposite for the first one ሁለተኛው በበት የተያዘው ሐሳብ contrast አይደለም unless you finish your work you cannot go out to play yes of course ሌላው ጋር መሄድ የማያስፈልገኝ because unless by itself is adverb clause of conditionን የምንገልጽበት አያያዥ ቃል ነው ስለዚህ እዛ ጋር የምታዩት unless you finish your work you cannot go out to play ካልጨረስክ በስተቀር ለመጫወታ ወደ ውጭ መሄድ አትችልም ሲል condition ነው እየገለጸ ነው ያለው if not ማለት ነው if you do not finish your work you cannot go out to play you cannot go out to play except if you finish your work ስለዚህ unlessን በif not መግለጽ እንችላለን unlessን በexcept if መግለጽ እንችላለን አሁን ልክ እንዳሳየዋችሁ you cannot go out to play except if you finish your homework of course unless ማለት ነው if you do not finish your homework you cannot go out to if not ማለት unless ወይም except if ማለት ነው so the answer is B exactly correct condition relationship የሚያሳየው B ብቻ ነው because this is condition conjunction question number 5 the movie was very long it was also incredibly boring which option joins the sentence using subordinating conjunctions to show what cause and effect አሁን እዚህ ጋር የምትመጡት ነገር ምንድነው subordinating conjunction ሆኖ cause effecትን ሊያሳይ የሚችል አያያዥ ቃል ነው የምፈልጉት was subordinating conjunction ምንላቸው ሰባት ናቸው ቀደም የዘረዘርኳቸው እነሱ ማለት ነው look here the movie was very long and incredibly boring because and is not subordinating but it is coordinating so it's not the answer the movie was very long comma it was incredibly boring no conjunction here since the movie was very long it was incredibly boring since is a kind of subordinating conjunction what kind cause effect when reason when adverb clause of reason since because as they have the same purpose even for but the structure that we use for is different from that of as because since because for we think of two main clauses, but when we think about one dependent with the other one main clause, we have better use as, since, and for without a difference of meaning. From this perspective, the answer is C. Actually, this shows about cause effect here. Since means because the movie was very long, it was incredibly boring. You know, effect ሙቪው ፊልሙ በጣም ረጅም ስለሆነ አሰልቺ ነበር። አሰልቺ የሆነበት ምክንያት ኮዙ ረጅም መሆኑ ነው። የረጅም መሆኑ ውጤት ቦሪንግ መሆኑ ኮዝ ኢፌክት ሪሌሽንሺፕን የምናሳየው በአስ because and for ነው exactly. Question number 6 yeah, he checked the map 3 times, he still took the wrong turn. Which sentence best expresses this idea? ይሄን ሐሳብ የሚያያይዘው የትኛው አያያዝ ቃል ነው? ኮምባይን ስታረጉት እንዴት ነው ኮምባይን የምታረጉት ነው እያለ ያለው። So here he checked the map 3 times, he still took the wrong turn. Exactly, you get something from the main clauses and now you can just think of the different conjunctions which is appropriate to combine the two main clauses. Actually yeah, that's መጀመሪያ ማሰብ ያለብን ሐሳቡ ምንድነው? ሐሳቡን ሊያያይዝልኝ የሚችል አያያዝ ቃል የትኛው ነው? እሱ ማምጣት መቻል ነው። Even though he checked 3 times, he still took the wrong place. Yeah, ምንም እንኳን ማፑን 3 ጊዜ 4 ጊዜ ቢያየውም አሁንም ትክክለኛው መንገድ አልያዘም፣ መንገዱን ስቶታል ነው። He checked the map 3 times, so he's no. He still looked at the wrong turn. He checked others. After he checked the map 3 times, he still. So the answer is even so. What's the guy? Even though, also, so even if. Even though he checked the map 3 times, he still took the wrong map. No, ምላጭ በቃ ስለዚህ ኮንትራስት ቢሆናቸው መልሳችሁ ኤ ነው የሚሆነው። Yeah, nice. Question number 7. I was cleaning the upper floor or the tuck. I found all my old childhood photographs. I was cleaning the upper floor. I found my old childhood photographs. Yeah, what's the idea? How can I combine this sentence? Yes, right. I was cleaning the upper floor, the tuck. I found my old childhood photographs here. What kind of events here? What kind of idea are this? So how can I combine? Which is really the appropriate conjunction to combine this to make one? Yes, I found my old child photographs while I was cleaning the attic. Yes, I was cleaning the attic and I found my old childhood photographs. Yes, I was cleaning the attic. No conjunction, no comma is required here. Yes, I found, so I was, no. So the answer is A. The first action is I was cleaning the attic ማለት እያጸዳሁ እንደነበር የልጅነት ፎቶግራፌን አግኝቼው ነበር ወይም አግኝቼዋለሁ ነው የሚለው። ይሄ ማለት subordinating conjunction adverb clause of time ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ። እዚህ ጋር አረፍተ ነገሩ ራሱ የሚያሳያችሁ while I was cleaning the upper floor I found my old childhood photograph እሱን ነው የሚሰጣችሁ። yes, ሌላ እዚህ ጋር የተያዙበት አያያዝ ቃሎች completely possible አይደሉም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? ይሄ ነው። look here, while I was cleaning the attic or the upper floor የመጀመሪያው ኢቨንት ነው። suddenly you found your childhood photograph by chance የተገኘ ጉዳይ ነው። ስለዚህ an action was happening during the time was speaking before another past action interrupted it. past continuous ነው። of course የግራመር ጥያቄ አይደለም ግን we know what, while, when, after, before, still, until, as soon as, immediately, as, till. These are time reference words ነው የምንላቸው። She must apologize, she will not be forgiven. Yeah, she must apologize, she will not be forgiven. Which sentence correctly use until to join these ideas? Until. ይህን ሀሳብ በአንቲል ስታያይዙ correct structure, correct form እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል ነው የሚላችሁ። ያ she will not be forgiven until she apologizes. Until she will not be forgiven, she must apologize. Look, ለመጀመሪያው she will not be forgiven until she apologizes. ይቅርታ ታደርግላትም ይቅርታ ካልጠየቀቻት yes, she will not be forgiven. ይቅርታ ታደርግላትም ይቅርታ ካልጠየቀቻት በስተቀር ነው። Until she will not be forgiven, she must nonsense meaning. Yeah, she must apologize until she will not be forgiven. Yes, The first one, whenever until is between two main clauses, there is no need to insert any kind of punctuation mark, comma, completely it makes the statement wrong. Until she must apologize, should not be forgiven. Until she must apologize, should not be forgiven. You see, right? Meaning ሊሰጠን እኮ አይችልም። አሁን yes አንደኛ until ስትጠቀሙ በሁለት main clauses መካከል ላይ መምጣቱን ማስታወስ ነው። until በፍጹም ያረፍተ ነገር introductory word ነው ሊመጣ አይችልም። ስለዚህ ቢናዲ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም። ሲ ላይ እንደገና ደግሞ ኮማ አለው ወይ full stop ነው ኮማ ሊሆን አይችልም። She'll not be forgiven until she apologizes. So the answer is A. Justification actually, until adverse of time, no, it comes between the two main clauses actually, yeah. Both clauses መካከል ነው የሚመጣው. That is the answer actually. Yeah, next question. The next questions are actually just kinds of phrases and kinds of clauses. I have published 2 or more than 2 videos focusing on this types of phrase and clause, focusing on by giving some examples. I think if you wish, that's okay, you'll do the questions. If not, I'll try to just give some explanation by reading every question here. Nice. Yes, noun phrase, coordinate clause, prepositional phrase, adverbial, adjective phrase, principal clause, coordinate clause, and noun clause and non-finite clauses here. So እነዚህን እየመረጥን የተሰመረበትን ፍሬዝ ወይም ሃር ወይም ፍሬዝ ወይም ክሎዝ ምን እንደሆነ እሱን ማስቀመጥ ወይም ኢንዲኬት ማድረግ ነው እየተፈለገ ያለው እዚህ ላይ። ስለዚህ ያን ሐሳብ ነው ምን ይዘው The black cat on the roof is hungry here. The black cat on the roof here. The black cat here is hungry. Is hungry. It's just predicate ነው። ከዛ በፊት ያለው ጉዳይ ስለ ሰብጀክት ነው የምናወራው። ስለ ሰብጀክት ስናወራ ደግሞ ምን አይነት ፍሬዝ ነው የሚሆነው? ምክንያቱም ክሎዝ ሊሆን አይችልም ኦፍ ኮርስ። ምክንያቱም ክሎዝ የማይሆንበት ሰብጀክት ፕላስ ቨርብ ስትራክቸር የለውም ፍሬዝ ነው አይደለ? ፍሬዝ ከሆነ ደግሞ ማን ነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? ናውን ፍሬዝ ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። because the black cat ነው የሚላችሁ cat. This is the head word. please head word የሆነው the black የሚለው pre modifier ነው ካትን ይገልጻል። on the roof የሚለው post modifier ነው። ስለዚህ pre modifierም post modifierም ሁለቱም የሚገልጸው head wordን cat የሚለውን ነው። so this is a simple subject እንለዋለን። totally ይሄ phrase noun phrase ነው የምትሉት please noun phrase ነው። take care please noun phrase ነው የሚባለው። ምን እንለዋለን? complete subject ነው። simple subjecቱ cat ነው። ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው because the head word አረ ይሄ እኮ phrase የሚያወራው ስለ cat ነው። ስለ cat ነው የሚያወራው ሌላ ነገር የሚያወራ አይደለም። cat ደግሞ kind of noun ነው animal noun ነው animal ስም ነው አይደል? የእንስሳት ስም ነው። ስለዚህ that's noun phrase ካላችሁ absolutely you are right. The 10 question. Some of the books on the table are outdated. On the table here. On the table here. On the table here. So what's on the table here? If you answer the prepositional phrase, you are absolutely right. On the table, because the head word here is preposition on. So, and the table is noun phrase. Totally, this kind of phrase is prepositional phrase. So there is prepositional phrase. There is noun phrase here. That's absolutely right. And question number 11. The man with short hair. The man with short hair is running in the park. Short hair. Short hair. Why short hair here? Short hair. What's the head word here? It's a noun. What is the pre-modifier here? Short. Totally, this is called an adjective phrase in the Roland. Yes? Adjective phrase. ስሞችን ተከትሎ ስምን ሞዲፋይ ነው ማድረግ የሚችለው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ምንድነው adjective phrase ነው የሚባለው። Question number 12. He attended the conference very carefully. He attended the conference very carefully. Was carefully here, was very, both the two words are adverbs. This is adverb of manner. This is intensifying adverb. If you answer adverb phrase ካላችሁ ወይም adverbial phrase ካላችሁ exactly you are right. Adverbial phrase because adverb ነው ሄድ ወርዶ እሱ ነው ሞዲፋይ እያደረገ ያለው ልክ ነው ማለት ነው። Next question, question number 13. The two men are sitting on the right corner, which is far from the balcony. Yes. Question number the two men are sitting on the right floor or on the right corner, which is far from the balcony. Which is far from the balcony. I think of about what are verbs and what are clauses. The structure of clauses are basically clauses are the combination or the integration between subject plus verb structure, and it doesn't give complete meaning. So that's called clause in the one. But a phrase doesn't have this structure actually. So that is here. So this is called question number 30. If you answer an adjective clause, absolutely right. Adjective clause, which is far from the balcony. The two men are sitting on the right corner. Which is far from? Which is far from the balcony. Yeah, I don't know. Which is far on the right corner. አሁን የተገለጸው ሁለቱን ሰዎች አይደለም የተቀመጡበትን ቦታ ነው መግለጽ የፈለገው ራይት ኮርነር አካባቢ። ስለዚህ አክቹአሊ አድጀክቲቭ ክሎዝ ነው የምንለው ምክንያቱም አድጀክቲቭ ክሎዝ አር ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ናቸው። ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ደግሞ ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውንን ይዞ አትሊስት ሰብጀክቱን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ነው ወይም ለሜን ክሎዙ ኤክስትራ ኢንፎርሜሽን መስጠት ነው ዋና ፐርፐዛቸው። ሶ the answer is just like this, please. The other question, question number 14. Question number 40. The coach understand. Look here. The coach understand how they play during the final game. So how the final game? I think as you see from this, it's not a phrase, but it's a kind of clause. It's a kind of clause. Question number 40. Clause. Now, what kind of clause is this? What kind of clause is this? Is the adjective clause, principal clause, or maybe infinitive clause, gerund clause? What kind of clause? If you answer noun clause, you are completely right. ምክንያት ምንድነው? noun clauseዎች በአብዛኛው መነሻቸው WH question words ናቸው. How, when, where, who, what, when, and which. እነዚህን ተጠቅሞ ነው አረፍተ ነገሩ ክሎዝ ኮንስትራክት ሊያደርግ የሚችለው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የምታዩት ነገር ምንድነው? how they play during the final game, which is called the question word here. It's called how they play during the final game. The coach understands how they play during the final game. It refers about how the coach, the coaches. So the answer is noun clause. She visited the patients in hospital. She visits the patients in hospital. Those patients in hospital. So this is the principal clause. The principal clause, absolutely right, absolutely right, Those patients, because it is a main clause, principals and then main clause, simple, yes. Those patients in hospital ስትሉ as a main clause. ስለዚህ principal clause ነው ናውን አይደለም ወይም adjective clause ነው አንችልም። He is the doctor visits the patients. He is the doctor to visit the patients. To visit the patients, actually we can say that non-finite clause ነው። non-finite ማለት ጀረንዶችን ወይም ፓርቲሲፕሎችን እና and also ኢንፊኒቲቮችን የያዘ ፋይናይት ቨርብን ያልያዘ ማለት ፋይናይት ቨርብ ስንል just action verbs ማለታችን ነው። ፋይናይት ቨርብ ማለት actual verbs ናቸው። ለምሳሌ she sits, he writes on a chair, he lectures, he presents, he explains. These words are called finite verbs because the speaker uses these verbs in the actual usage. So we can say that finite verbs. But when you say non-finite, it's a clause, but it never use actual verbs, actual action verbs. አይጠቀም rather ምንድን ነው የሚጠቀመው ፓርቲሲፕሎችንና ኢንፊኒቲቭ ፍሬዞችን ይጠቀማል ኢንፊኒቲቮችን ይጠቀማል። ለዚህ ነው non-finite ያልኩት እዚህ ጋር non-finite. He is the doctor to visit the patients. Exactly. ስለዚህ to visit the patients, which is infinitive ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እንለዋለን? ይሄን infinitive or non-finite clause ነው የምትሉት non-finite clause ነው የምንለው። And the other question number 17. we are going to edit theory or he's coming over. Hey, it's clear. Coordinate clause. Coordinate clause ማለት ሁለት main clauseዎች በcoordinating conjunction ሲያያዙ የምናገኘው clause we can say that coordinate clause እንላቸዋለን። ስለዚህ I think you got it about what clauses and what phrases are. I think take a time and revise the channel and you'll get something which is important. Nice. Let's pass to the next one, please. The part 3 questions are sentence in structure. Sentence in structure. Sentence in structure can be categorized simple sentence, the compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex, and complex sentence. Why simple sentence and what's compound sentence? Yeah, what's the structure of these types of sentence structures? Basically, structure ምንድነው? እነሱም በደንብ ካየነው at least ጥያቄውን በቀላሉ መመለስ እንችላለን please. Yeah, nice. The first question, we go to the beach in summer but my cat stays home because he doesn't own a swimsuit. Yes, right. Look the question here. Yes, we go to the beach in summer but my cat stays home because, yeah, right. We have two main clauses here. Well, we can say that compound sentence. Look at compound. We go to the beach in summer, but my cat stays home. Compound sentence, because he doesn't own a sweet. He dependent, So this kind of sentence is compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence ማለት look here. Compound complex sentence ማለት at least ሁለት main clauses አሉት. And dependent clause አለ and dependent clause አለው ይሄ compound complex እንለዋለን complex ማለት multiplicity of compound complex sentence ነው multiplicity ማለት compound complexን multiply ማድረግ ነው እሱን ምናልባት አራት main clauseዎች ሁለት dependent clauseዎች ሶስት main clause and dependent clause this is an example of complex but it is similar with compound complex sentence actually. Yeah, multiplicity ካደረግነው እሱ simply a kind of short paragraph ማለት ነው complex sentence ግን we have it's a kind of sentence structure of course kind of እሱ ብቻ ማለት ስድስተኛም አለን compound complex sentence አለ compound complex sentence አለ I'll give you an example here. Question number 19, they will do the question effectively if they attend the class regularly. Yes, they will do the questions effectively if they attend the class regularly. Complex sentence, of course, because if they attend the class regularly is the dependent or the subordinate clause. They will do the questions effectively, which is the main clause. So this is complex sentence. When you say complex sentence, there is at least one main clause, two or one or two dependent clause አለን complex ስታስቡ at least አንድ main clause አላችሁ ካልሆነ ደግሞ አንድ ወይም ሁለት dependent clause አለን ይሄን complex sentence እንለዋለን ሁልጊዜ it's always true please ስለዚህ complex sentence ነው question number 20 they commonly miss the rules of the company so they must be fired from the work. Yeah, of course, it's clear, no compound sentence because there is coordinating conjunction here. Coordinating conjunction, ሁለት main clauses በcoordinating conjunction ለምሳሌ fun, boys የምንላቸው for and so, yet, but በእነዚህ ከተያዘ compound sentence ነው. She goes to the store and check how many of them are used. She goes to the store and check how many of them are used. This is a simple sentence because it has only one main clause. ሁለት ነገሮችን እናገራለሁ simple sentence ስንል አረፍተ ነገሩ መርዘሙ ማጠሩ ምናምን አይደለም ሁለተኛ አረፍተ ነገሩ complete predicate ወይም compound predicate ወይም compound subject ወይም complete subject መያዙ አይደለም እዛው ውስጥ የሚያወራው ስለ አንድ ሜን ክሎዝ ስለ አንድ ሐሳብ ብቻ ከሆነ simple sentence ያሰኘዋል so this true please she goes to the store and check how many of them are used በቃ ስቶር ሄዳ የተጠቀሙበትን ቼክ ማድረግ ነው አንድ ሜን ክሎዝ አለው and መኖሩ ኮምፓውንድ ያደርገውም intent አንድ ነው ስለ simple sentence ነው it is the time to our parents to celebrate their birthday it's also simple sentence yeah it's also simple sentence please we both went to the gym and we took our regular exercise we both went to the gym comma and we took our regular exercises what kind of sentence is this if you answer compound sentence of course ልክ አያያዝ ቃሉን እዚህ ጋር አያያዝ ቃሉ በኮማ ተለይቶ ካያችሁ compound sentence መሆኑን መዘንጋት የለብንም ልክ ነው ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞች በኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ሲለያዩ ኮማ ያስፈልጋቸዋል ኮማን አስከትሎ ይሄዳሉ ኮማ የማያስፈልግበት ኮንቴክስት አለ እሱ ከዚህ ይዘት ጋር አይገናኝም of course this is the third part of the question we'll pass to the next question please I think what's important here is what is sentence in structure and what about sentence in function አሁን በቅርብ ፐብሊሽ አረኩት ቪዲዮ አለ revised videos on sentence in function and sentence in structure don't forget to read it and you'll practice and you'll do the questions here the next question is a very important part which is the central part of the basic writing skill so that's called sentence errors there are some sentences which affect the sentence's meaning we can say sentence errors what's called misplaced modifier here dangling modifier comma splice fragment verb agreement problem pronoun antecedent problem run on centers these are the very serious and challenging which affect one's sentence one's paragraph one's writing works unless we practice these sentence errors we will be on a difficult condition to write an effective and meaningful sentence that's obviously true that's why I have already presented and published some more videos focusing on sentence errors. Alright, I'll give you some questions please here. So the instruction says about identify the type of sentence error and write it correctly. That's please. As soon as possible, I'll give you clear explanation about each question and you'll understand it. Although she studied 4 hours every night, she still found the final exam incredibly difficult. So what kind of sentence error is this? What kind of sentence error here? Although she studied 4 hours every night, she still found the final exam incredibly difficult. Still, ምን አይነት sentence error ነው ይሄ? Yes, fragment ካላችሁ absolutely በጣም ትክክል ናችሁ is a fragment please because look here although she studied 4 hours every night አለና full stop አደረገው ይሄ አያያዝ ቃል ያለበት ጥገኛ የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር በfull stop በፍጹም ሊዘጋ አይችልም ሊቆም አይችልም የሚሆነው ነገር ምንድነው በኮማ ተለይቶ ከሜን ክሎዙ ጋር ተጠግቶ መሄድና ኮምፕሊት ሴንስ ማምጣት መቻል ነው በፉል ስቶፕ ተዘጋ ወይም ፔሪድ ተቀመጠ ማለት ሚኒንግፉል ሰንተንስ ነው በራሱ የቆመ ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ this is a subordinate clause it doesn't stand by itself and it doesn't convey a meaning so this is a fragment the problem is a fragment ምናልባት subject አለመኖሩ verb አለመኖሩ reason time phrase አለመኖሩ ብቻም አይደለም sometimes fragment እንደዚህ ሊከሰት ይችላል to make it correctly we put a comma between the two clauses አስተካክሉ በቃ ይሄው ስለዚህ ምን አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው like this yes ጨረስኩኝ ይሄው comma although she studied 4 hours every night she still found the final exam incredibly difficult meaningful አደረኩት so it can be corrected in such a way please this is the approach of correcting fragment please yeah correcting fragment እንደዚህ አድርገን ነው እናስተካክለው yeah the conference room was booked for our meeting however the key was missing what is the problem here problem ምንድነው ይሄ what do you think about the question here ኮማ ስፕላይስ በትክክል ካላችሁ ልክ ነው ኮማ ስፕላይስ ችግር ነው ምክንያቱም ላሳይ the confirm was looked for our meeting however the key was missing here አንደኛ however subordinating conjunction አይደለም ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት አረፍተ ነገር ሊያያይዝ አይችልም አንደኛ ሁለተኛ the structure is not just like this place the structure is not just like this here ስለዚህ ኮማ ስፕላይስ ማለት wrong use of comma however in structure ተከትሎ ሊሄድ አይችልም subordinate conjunctionም አይደለም ስለዚህ ምንድነው ኮማ ስፕላይስ ከሆነ ደግሞ አራት መንገዶች አሉ we put a period between the two clauses and the second clause begins with capital letter 1 we combine the two main clauses with one of the coordinating conjunction the third one we put a semicolon between the two clauses third the fourth one we put or we use a kind of subordinating conjunction between a kind of ማለት appropriate subordinating conjunctions to combine to join the two main clauses these are the only four ways of combining if a sentence has run on problem or comma splice clear explanation ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው look here ይሄን አጠፋውና like this please ይሄን አጠፋና ማን ነው የምከተው here yes but አሁን አለቀው but here the conference room was booked for many years but the key was missing exactly but is a coordinating conjunction it joins these two main definite clauses absolutely right that's the approach so the problem is comma splice ካላችሁ ልክ ነው we found the missing document underneath a stack of paper that we had been searching for so right we found the missing document underneath a stack of papers that we had been searching for what kind of problem here all right nice the problem is ምንድን ካላችሁ misplaced modifier misplaced modifier because the misplaced modifiers are maybe clause ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ phrase ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ misplaced modifier phrase noun phrase adjective phrase adverb phrase clause noun clause adjective phrase relative clause noun clause whatever ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ please modify የሚያደርገውን ነገር modify አላደረገም ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር we found the missing document underneath the stock that here that we have been searching for is the relative clause but it stands far from the expression or the sentence that it wants to modify የሚያደርገውን ትቶ ሌላ ቦታ ነው የተቀመጠው ስለዚህ you bring it just like this please ይሄን የት አድርጌ አመጣዋለሁ please የት አድርጌ አመጣዋለሁ just like this please look here እንደዚህ አድርጌ ነው ማመጣው okay yes the document like this please okay I can put here ይሄው አሁን እንደዚህ አድርጌ አስቀምጠዋል ይሄን ሐሳብ that look here the examples that's the right sentence please we found the missing document that we had been searching for this is called look here the misplaced modifier it modifier refer back to the missing document yes it's refer ማን ነው modify የሚያደርገው missing document ነው refer የሚያደርግላችሁ yes ስለዚህ modify ያደርገው missing document ነው of course right place ነው meaningful sentence ነው ስለዚህ misplaced modifier ነው question number 28 walking through the dark forest the moon provided little light what kind of problem does a sentence have walking through the dark forest the moon provided little light actually there is a problem here the problem is in relation with dangling modifier dangling why because the introductory phrase is not similar with the what's called the implied sentence or the implied subject introductory phrase ማለት ሐሳቡ የተነሳበት ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያለው main clause ከ implied subject ተመሳሳይ subject አይደለም ያለው እዚህ ጋር የሚያወራው working through somebody working through the dark forest ይላል እዚህ ጋር የሚያወራው ደግሞ the moon provides light so different subjects in a sentence so it doesn't have a meaning ምንም ትርጉም የለውም ይሄ okay because the sentence should be parallel If there is the same door is here in the second clause. Actually, that's right. Unless two different things happen in different and in the same time, that's okay. But this is not just like example is here. So here, walking through the dark forest, the moon provided little. So who is here? እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ ሰጠን። ፐርፎርመሩ ማን ነው አይታወቅም። ስለዚህ አይ መሆን ይችላል፣ ሂ ማለት እንችላለን፣ ሺ ማለት ይቻላል፣ ዊ ማለት እንችላለን፣ they ማለት እንችላለን። ተግባብተናል። ግን walking through the dark forest ሲል አንድ ሰው ብቻ እሱ እሷ ወይም እኔ ብቻ ልናደርገው አንችልም። maybe people, maybe more than 2 or 3 people together. So we can say that we ማለት እንችላለን. Yes, walking through the dark forest, we saw the moon provided. You can write here, we saw. Exactly here. Walking through the dark forest, we saw the moon provided little light. ይሄ ማለት while walking through ማለት ይቻላል። ሁለተኛው መንገድ እንደዚህ ይቻላል። While walking, this must be small letter here. This must be small letter. While walking through the dark forest, we saw the moon provided little light. ሌላው እንደዚህ ማድረግ ይቻላል። ሶስተኛ መንገድ while we were walking, yes. While we were walking, ይሄው ይቻላል። ሶስተኛ መንገድ while we were walking through the dark forest, we saw what? The moon provided little light. So we have 3 ways, 3 options to correct the dangling modifier. Absolutely right. This meaningful. Nice. Question number 29. The list of required items are on the desk. The list of required items are on the desk. There is a problem here. The problem is subject verb agreement problem ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ምክንያቱም the list of required items subject የዚህ በነገራችን ላይ the list of ነው። the list of ካለ አንድ ሊስት ነው እያወራ ያለው ስለ አንድ ሊስት ነው። አንድ ሊስት በውስጡ ብዙ ይዘቶች አሉት ማለት ነው። ገብቷችኋል? ስለዚህ ሜይን ሰብጀክቱ ሊስት ነው። ለምሳሌ the lists ቢል እዚህ ጋር ያለው absolute right ነው። the lists ቢል the list ካለ ግን which is singular ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ሆነ አለበት እዚህ ጋር verb agreement is ብለን እንገልጸዋለን ማለት ነው። yes, the list of required items is on the desk. Subject verb agreement. So that will be the right answer, please. Nice. Question number 13. Question number 30. Question number 30. ምንድነው የሚላችሁ 13? Yes, he wanted to go to the concert. He wanted to go to the concert. Yeah. He wanted to go to the concert. He couldn't afford a ticket. Yeah, right. Yeah. He couldn't. Yeah, there is a comma between the 2 main clauses. Yeah. The answer is run on, of course, run on. Because 2 main clauses cannot be separated with a comma or any kind of punctuation mark because they stand by themselves and convey meaning. Of course, look at ሁለት main clauses ምንም punctuation mark ያስፈልጋቸው ምክንያቱም they stand ትርጉም አላቸው ትርጉም ማስተላለፍ ይችላሉ። ስለዚህ run on sentence ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብን? ይሄን ስናሳክል አንደኛው መንገድ ይሄው period and the second sentence begins with capital letter. He went to go to the concert. He couldn't find a ticket. Yes, he went to go to because ሁለተኛው መንገድ yes, he went to go to the concert because he couldn't find so he wanted to go to the concert and he couldn't or so appropriate coordinating conjunction is important here. Appropriate coordinating conjunction ተጠቀሙ እዚህ ላይ ሁለት you can just put a semicolon here. Semicolon መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ. this is a semicolon ሁለተኛው መንገድ. So the second this is small letter here. ሁለተኛው መንገድ ይሄን he went to go to the concert semicolon he couldn't afford a ticket of course. One way so the correcting the wrong sentence like commas place ቅድም የነገርኳችሁ አራት መንገዶች ለwrong sentence የሚሰራሉ ማለት ነው። Nice. Next one, to quickly and effectively complete the task. To quickly and effectively complete the task. So to quickly and effectively complete the task, what kind of problem is this? Yeah, do you get anything from this? Is this? I think this is a fragment. Yeah, this is a fragment. Fragment no ይሄ ነገር አይደለ? too quickly በኢንፊኒቲቭ ፍሬዝ ነው የጀመረው ሚኒንግ አይሰጠንም ፍራግመንት ነው ስለዚህ እንዴት ነው ኮምፕሊት ምናደርገው ለምሳሌ our goal is here look here our goal is here our goal is አሳከልኩት ይኸው our goal is to quickly and effectively complete the task meaningful sentence አደረኩት ሌላው to quickly and effectively complete the task everyone ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ላድርገው ይሄንና everyone should work and we should work cooperatively yes and we should work cooperatively you can say it everyone should work cooperatively yes right ሌላው መንገድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛው መንገድ ኮማ እዚህ ጋር አድርጋለሁ please ያ ኮማ there is a comma here ይሄው የመጀመሪያውን ተውትና ሁለተኛው መንገድ just here እንደዚህ ላድርገውና ይሄን ካፒታል ቲ ላድርገዋለሁ ይሄው ሁለተኛው መንገድ cooperatively yeah nice good here this is also another way please ይኸውላችሁ የመጀመሪያው our goal is to complete the task አንደኛው ነው ሁለተኛው to quickly and effectively complete the task everyone should work cooperatively yeah ይሄም ሌላ መንገድ ነው አሁን ከፍራግመንት ወደ ኮምፕሊት ሰንተንስ አደረግነው nice 32 the committee submit their report to the board every Friday the committee submit their report to the board every Friday what is the problem here በደም ጥያቄውን በደም መታየት አለበት please the committee submit their report there is a problem inside so the problem is pronoun antecedent problem pronoun antecedent ማለት noun ማለት ነው antecedent pronoun ማለት referent ማለት ነው antecedent refer የሚያደርገውና refer የሚደረገውና antecedent parallel መምጣት ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ the committee ይላል እዚህ ጋር ይሄ antecedent ነው noun and there የሚለው ደግሞ pronoun ነው ወይም referent ነው ይሄ refer የሚያደርገው committee የሚለውን noun phrase subject ነው so the committee itself is a collective noun which acts as a singular subject ነው singular subject ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር የምንጠቀምበት possessive adjectiveአችን ምን አይሆንም ማለት ነው ዜሮ አይሆንም ታዲያ ማን ይሆናል it is ነው አሁን ፓራላል አድርገው subject ወይም pronoun antecedent ፕሮብለሙ ተስተካከለ ነው it is refer የሚያደርገው ኮሚቴ ነው ይሄ antecedent እና referenቱ ፓራላል ሆነ ስለዚህ እንደዚህ ብለን እናስተካክለዋለን question number 33 yes pronoun 33 because the data was inconclusive ነው የሚላችሁ because the data was inconclusive the scientists decided to run another trial because the data was inconclusive the scientists decided to run another trial so there is a full stop between ይሄ ቅድም የሰራሁት አይነት ጥያቄ ነው ፍራግመንት ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው ፍራግመንት ሆነ አለበት ምክንያቱም ይሄ ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ actually በፉል ስቶፕ ቆሞ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ አይችልም ስለዚህ ምን ከተታለው እዚህ ጋር ኮማን ከተጨ ሚኒንግፉል አድርገዋለሁ እዚህ ጋር this letter should be written as a small letter here because the data was inconclusive the scientists decided to run another trial አሁን ፍራግመንቱን ኮምፕሊት ሰንተንስ አደረግነው nice please the last question the new policy affects everyone except you and I yes what's the problem here yes አሁንም እዚህ ጋር የምታዩት ነገር የፕሮናውን ኬዝ ነው problems of pronoun case ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው pronoun case ነው it affects the meaning of the sentence በነገራችን ላይ ያረፍተ ነገሩን ትርጉም ያጣርሰዋል እዚህ ጋር ልክ ተሳክሮ ስላልተጻፈ ለምን እዚህ ጋር ያለው ይሄ ማን ነው ምን የሚፈልገው ምን ጊዜም ኤፍን ባረፍተ ነገር ላይ የምንጠቀም ከሆነ objective case ነው የሚወስደው please objective case ነው የሚወስደው ልክ ነው the new policy affects everyone except you and me ነው ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ ስጣችሁ everyone left from the class except I ነው ምለው is except me everyone left from the class except me not I complete yes except me possible objective case ነው it's grammar rule እኮ የግራመር ህግ ነው except አይካልኩ meaning አይደለም ስለዚህ except እንጠቀም ከሆነ objective case ይፈልጋል so the answer is me ብለን እንላለን I think there is another question please yeah the questions are sentence or classification of part of sentence simple subject complete subject predicate something like that yeah it's clear maybe the questions are not somehow tricky you can easily understand it and the question please yeah new members of the project should contribute at least 5% of the project new members of the project should contribute at least 5% of the project right the complete predicate ነው የሚላችሁ you know complete predicate ከምን ይጀምራል ከቨርቡ ጀምሮ እስከ መጨረሻው ሐሳብ ያለው ድረስ we can say that complete predicate ትሉታላችሁ ይሄ ነው complete predicate ማለት the others are what complete subject ትሉታላችሁ all the villagers in Kabale 4 are complaining to mayor of the city about the destruction of their village right the complete subjects complete subject ማለት it comes before the predicate ማለት ነው ከፕሬዲኬቱ ቀድሞ የመጣ ግን the subject or the simple subject is modified by different modifiers የሆነ we can say complete subject እንለዋለን so the answer is what all እስከዚህ ድረስ ያለው ምን ይሆናል complete subject እንለዋለን nice question number 37 the new director of the school and the school teachers express their feeling on the new salary increment write the compound subject ማለት ያረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት simple subjectዎች ይሆናሉ compound subject ሊሆን ይችላል complete subject ሊሆን ይችላል በcoordinating conjunction ሲያዝና ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ሲሆን we can say that the compound subject እንለዋለን express predicate ነው ስለዚህ this one is called the compound subject እንለዋለን these are about basic writing skill model questions it focuses on what I have discussed the rest just beginning from paragraph until composition writing on the way to present or to publish on air I think you will watch the video and you will get some important things maybe sometimes there are some confusions maybe some confusion may get when you watch the video you can talk through my contact address that's what I want to say about today's lesson thank you for watching my video and staying with me